Now let us start with the seventh question. So seventh question is, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So here it is already mentioned that out of these two squares, one is magic square. Magic square means what? This is the row and these are the columns and these are the diagonals. This row R1, R2, R3, this column C1, C2, C3, and this is the diagonal X. It forms X. This is 5 minus 2 minus 3. This is the diagonal D1, and this is the diagonal 2, second one D2, minus 4 minus 2 0. So after adding these three, okay, row wise, after adding row wise, after adding column wise, after adding diagonally, the answer should be same. Okay, so then it is a magic square. So here also same operations we have to perform. Okay, so question already I have written. So in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So let us check it one by one. Okay, so here this will be your R1, row 1. This will be your R2, that is row 2. This will be your R3. This will be your C1. This will be C2. This will be C3. Okay, and this will be your D1 and this will be your D2. Okay, so R1, that is row 1. R1, that is row 1, first row. Okay, what is first row? Let us write 5 minus 1 minus 4 are the elements of row 1. So 5 minus 1 minus 4. If we add this, 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. If we add this 5 minus 1 minus 4, what do we get? 5 minus 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 5. Same sign, addition, and give common sign, that is 1 plus 4 is 5 and common sign is minus, so we give a minus. 5 minus 5 is 0. So answer is 0. R1 is 0. Let us check R2. So this is our row, second row, R2. What are the elements of row 2? Minus 5, minus 2 and 7. So let us add those. Minus 5 minus 2 and plus 7. What do we get? Minus 5 minus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Common sign is minus, so minus plus 7. Again we get 0. Okay, so let us further check R3. R3 is what? R3 is what? 0, 3 and minus 3. So 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. Okay, so let us add 0 plus 3 minus 3. Again 3 minus 3 is what? 0 plus 0. This will be cancelled. Positive, negative, opposite signs cancel. Okay, or simply 0. So this is also 0. So R1, R2, R3 are 0. Now let us check C1, C2 and C3. Let us check C1, C2 and C3. Column 1, C1. Okay, so this is your column first, this is your column second, this is your column third. So what are the elements? 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, C1, 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. So 5 minus 5 plus 0, that is equal to 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. C2, let us check C2. What are the elements? Minus 1, minus 2 and 3. Okay, so minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. Okay, so minus 1, minus 2 plus 3. Minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 3, because you will do addition here. 1 plus 2 is 3 and common sign minus. Both the numbers are carrying negative sign, so you give your negative sign. Okay, plus this number 3. Okay, so C2 is also 0. Now C3, let us check C3. What are the elements? Minus 4, 7, minus 3. So let us add those numbers. Minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. Okay, so here also this two numbers we will add. Minus 4 minus 3 is what? 4 plus 3 is 7. Give common sign, that is negative sign, plus 7, this 7. Okay, so 7 minus 7 is 0. So till now we are getting the same answer, that is 0. Now let us check diagonally. So this is your diagonal, first diagonal. Okay, and this is your second diagonal. Diagonal means it forms a shape of X. Okay, so let us check first diagonal, D1. So what are the elements of D1? 5 minus 2 minus 3. So let us add 5 minus 2 minus 3. or you can write 5 plus into bracket minus 2 plus into bracket minus 3. So that is 5 minus 2 minus 3. So that is 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. So d1 is also 0. Now let us check d2. d2, that is diagonal, second diagonal, that is minus 4 minus 2 0. So let us add these numbers, minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0. So what do we get? Minus 4 minus 2 plus 0, we get what? Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 plus 0. So this is minus 6. So this square would have been a magic square if our answer of d2 was 0. Okay, but it is not 0, it is minus 6. So we can say that example number 1 is not a magic square, because in order to be a magic square, all the values should be 0. All the values should be 0, but here we got minus 6. So this is not a magic square, not a magic square. Okay.